How do you get a natural look with a facelift? Well, first of all, you have to understand the underlying problem is the muscles. It's not a skin problem, it's a muscle and ligament problem. So when somebody wants a natural look, what you have to do is address the structural problems underlying in the face. So as the face ages, those muscles and ligaments and those fat pads are all dropping. Well, if we just pull the skin really tight, it's going to look very pulled. And you see around town like, oh, that's a bad facelift. It's because whoever did that pulled the skin too tight. Again, it's not a skin problem, it's a muscle and ligament problem. If you fix the underlying problem, which is the structural support or the muscles and ligaments of the face, you tighten up the structural support of the face, then you very gently put the skin down, it looks very nice and natural. It's very easy to avoid that overdone, over-pulled look by not putting tension on the skin, but alternatively putting tension on the muscles and ligaments and the structural supports of the face. And when you do that, it looks very nice and natural and very, again, easy to avoid that overdone, over-pulled, over-tightened look when the skin's been pulled too tight.